COVID-19 has upended lives in every corner of the globe. But thanks to the city's unwavering community spirit, Macao has been able to keep its citizens safe. By developing a set of rigorous COVID-19 safety measures, Macao has managed to slowly, safely reopen its borders to eligible travellers. Families have enjoyed the best of both worlds, a city that's social yet safe. The city has also maintained a calendar of major sporting events. Business forums and fairs continued as well. As always, the Macao Government welcomes you and your family for a truly memorable and joyous experience.